Welcome to this tutorial video. Imagine furnishing your 3D space with products from your absolute favorite real-world brands. Today, we're diving into the brand library. Let's check it out. In the Design tool, select Models from the left sidebar, then click Brands. The Brands offers a wide range of model categories, including furniture, lighting, decoration, wall material, flooring, etc. Select the desired model category and click View More to check specific brand models under that category. Select an interesting brand from the brand list. You can view detailed information about it. After entering the brand zone, choose suitable materials and drag them into the floor plan. If you are interested in materials from the brand, you can return to the brand list and click Follow. Followed brands will appear in the following list, making it easier to quickly access and track updates next time. That's all. Thanks for watching.